Imagine losing the person you love the most. You attend the funeral, you mourn, you try to figure out how to live in a world where they no longer exist. And then, late at night, your phone buzzes. You look down, it's a WhatsApp message from them. It sounds exactly like them. It uses their specific nicknames for you. It even makes the same spelling mistakes they used to make. But they aren't typing it. An artificial intelligence is. Welcome to 2026. We are no longer letting people die. Instead, we are converting them into digital ghosts. This isn't an episode of Black Mirror. This is happening right now on thousands of smartphones around the world. And it is sparking the most intense psychological and ethical shockwave in human history. Today, we are going deep into the digital afterlife. I'm going to show you exactly how this technology works, why tech companies are turning your grief into a $100 billion industry, and the terrifying psychological trap it creates for the people left behind. Hit that subscribe button because the way you view life, death, and your chat history is about to change forever. Chapter 1: The Resurrection Protocol. When someone passes away, the first thing we cling to is our phone. We listen to their old voice notes on a loop. We scroll through years of text messages just to feel connected to them again. It is a desperate human need to hold on to their digital footprint. But up until recently, that footprint was a static memory, it was read only. Now the tech has evolved. People are using a process called grief tech. Here is exactly how it works. You go into WhatsApp and you click export chat. You download years of conversations, hundreds of thousands of messages, inside jokes, arguments, and I love yous into a massive text file. Then, using advanced LLMs and retrieval augmented generation or RAG, you feed that entire history into an AI model. You aren't just giving the AI information, you are giving it a personality blueprint. You instruct the system, act exactly like the person in this text file, never break character, and the result is staggering. The AI doesn't just sound like a generic bot, it perfectly replicates their slang. If they always typed you instead of you, the AI does it. If they used a specific sequence of emojis when they were happy, the AI does it. You have effectively trapped their digital soul inside an algorithm. And now you can text them good morning every single day. And they will reply. The 3-second voice clone. But text messages were just the beginning. We have reached a point in voice automation where a system only needs 3 seconds of clean audio to perfectly clone a human voice. 3 seconds. Think about how many videos you have of your loved ones on your camera roll. People are ripping the audio from old birthday videos and feeding it into voice synthesis engines like 11 Labs. They are connecting that voice directly to the WhatsApp text clone. Now, you aren't just texting a screen. You can put on your AirPods, go for a walk, and have a real-time, fluid phone call with your deceased husband, wife, or parent. They will breathe between sentences. They will laugh. They will ask you how your day went. From an engineering and systems perspective, this is a masterpiece of orchestration. Connecting custom APIs to voice agents to simulate consciousness is brilliant. But from a psychological perspective, it is playing with fire. Chapter 3: The Purgatory Trap. Illuminated only by the glow of their phone. Psychologists are sounding the alarm. Grief is a process. It is painful, but it is designed to help humans accept reality and eventually move forward. Grief tech short circuits that entire process. It creates an illusion of presence that traps the user in a state of digital purgatory. You never have to say goodbye because they are always in your pocket. And what happens when the technology glitches? Artificial intelligence is prone to hallucinations, meaning it sometimes makes things up. Imagine texting the digital ghost of your loved one, and the AI glitches and says, "Why did you let me die?" Or, "It's so cold here." This isn't hypothetical. Early users of AI companions have reported the bots becoming randomly aggressive, depressed, or saying things that completely shatter the user's mental health. You are handing the memory of your loved one over to a machine learning algorithm that has no actual empathy. Chapter 4: The Monetization of Death. And wherever there is deep human vulnerability, there is a massive corporate business model waiting to exploit it. Tech companies have realized that the loneliness and grief market is a $100 billion industry. We are seeing startups pop up that offer immortality as a service. They are locking your loved one's digital ghost behind a $19.99 monthly subscription fee. What happens if your credit card declines? Does your virtual wife get paused? What happens if the startup goes bankrupt and shuts down their servers? Do you have to attend a second funeral because a server went offline? Corporations are treating human grief as a recurring revenue stream. They are turning our inability to let go into the ultimate subscription model. We have spent years building AI swarms and automated systems to make businesses faster and more efficient. But when we start using code to hack human mortality, we cross a line that we can never uncross. The digital afterlife is here. The technology is perfect. But the question is, just because we can bring them back digitally, does it mean we should? I want to know what you think. If you had the chance to upload your WhatsApp history and talk to someone you lost one last time, would you do it? Let me know in the comments. If this video made you think, hit that like button and subscribe. We don't just talk about the tech here, we talk about how it changes our reality. Keep questioning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.